Did you know there's a common food in your kitchen that can harm your heart even more than salt? Face screaming in fear, most people eat it every day without realizing the hidden dangers. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal the shocking truth about this heart-threatening culprit and simple ways to protect yourself. You won't believe how something so ordinary could be so risky. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could save your life. And hey, before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content that keeps your heart healthy and your body strong. Lesson 1: The hidden danger in everyday foods. When it comes to heart health, most people immediately think about salt. We've all heard it, too much salt is bad for your heart. But what if I told you there's another common food that can be even worse? Yes, it's hiding in your kitchen, in foods you probably eat every day, and most people have no idea about the risk it carries. That's why today, we're going to uncover this hidden danger and help you make smarter choices for a healthier heart. This mysterious food doesn't scream danger. It's not always in bright packaging or flashy labels, and it might even be considered healthy by many. The problem is that it quietly affects your heart over time, increasing your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and clogged arteries. And the scary part? You could be eating it every single day without even thinking about it, but don't worry. Knowing about it is the first and most powerful step. Once you recognize the risk, you can take control of your heart health in simple, positive ways. You don't have to feel restricted or stressed about your diet. Small changes can make a big difference. For example, swapping one harmful ingredient for a healthier alternative can improve your heart health without sacrificing taste. What makes this lesson exciting is that it's not just about fear, it's about empowerment. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite foods while protecting your heart at the same time. That's exactly what we're aiming for here. By learning to spot hidden dangers in everyday foods, you gain knowledge, confidence, and the tools to make better choices every day. So, as we go deeper into this series, remember this: your heart is resilient, and with the right knowledge, you can protect it without giving up the foods you love. This lesson is your first step toward a happier, healthier heart. And if you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss tips that could change your life for the better. Lesson 2: How it damages your heart. We all know that eating the wrong foods can harm our heart, but do you know how it actually happens? Understanding the process makes it much easier to protect yourself and your loved ones. Today, we'll explore exactly how this hidden culprit affects your heart, and don't worry, it's easier to follow than it sounds. When you eat this food regularly, it can slowly damage your arteries, the vital blood highways that keep your heart and body working properly. Over time, these arteries can become clogged or stiff, making it harder for your heart to pump blood efficiently. This can increase your risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and other heart-related problems. The tricky part is that this damage often happens quietly. You might not feel any warning signs until it's already started, but here's the positive side: the more you know, the more control you have. Once you understand how this food affects your heart, you can make small changes that have a huge impact. Swapping it out for healthier options, adjusting your portion sizes, or adding heart-friendly ingredients to your meals can protect your arteries and strengthen your heart over time. Another fascinating point is that your heart is incredibly resilient. Even small improvements in your diet can help repair damage and reduce risks. Think of it as giving your heart a boost every single day. Simple, positive actions that create real results. It's not about deprivation or fear, it's about empowerment, learning, and taking small steps toward a healthier, happier life. By knowing how this food damages your heart, you're already one step ahead. You can make smarter choices without feeling restricted, and you can enjoy your favorite meals with a little mindful planning. Every decision counts, and every positive change makes your heart stronger. So, stay curious, stay motivated, and remember, protecting your heart doesn't have to be complicated. Start with awareness, make small swaps, and celebrate every improvement. And if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're here to guide you toward a healthier heart, one lesson at a time. Lesson 3: Surprising foods to avoid. When it comes to protecting your heart, it's easy to focus on obvious culprits like fried foods or sugary treats. But here's the surprise: some everyday foods that seem harmless, or even healthy, can quietly harm your heart over time. The good news is, once you know what to look for, you can easily make smarter choices without giving up the flavors you love. Take processed meats, for example. Things like sausages, hot dogs, and certain deli meats might be convenient and tasty, but they are loaded with hidden salts, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that can increase your heart risk. Even some store-bought snacks or packaged foods contain similar hidden dangers. Many people eat them regularly, thinking they're safe, simply because they're familiar and easily available. Here's the encouraging part: awareness is power. By simply identifying these surprising foods, you're already taking a major step toward a healthier heart. You don't have to feel restricted or deprived. Small swaps can make a world of difference. For instance, choosing fresh, whole foods, lean meats, or plant-based proteins instead of processed alternatives can protect your arteries and boost your energy. Another surprising group includes certain healthy options like flavored yogurts, granola bars, or low-fat packaged meals. These can sometimes contain hidden sugars or unhealthy fats that stress your heart. The trick is to read labels carefully and choose natural, minimally processed foods whenever possible. The most exciting part is that even small, positive changes add up over time. Replacing just one risky food with a healthier option every day strengthens your heart, improves blood circulation, and boosts your overall well-being. Think of it as giving your heart a daily gift: simple, positive, and completely doable. So, the takeaway from this lesson is clear: your heart deserves awareness, care, and smart choices. By spotting these surprising foods, you're already ahead of the game. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate each positive change. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're here to guide you toward a healthier heart, one simple step at a time. Lesson 4: Simple swaps for a healthy heart. Protecting your heart doesn't mean giving up all your favorite foods or feeling restricted. In fact, making small, smart swaps in your daily meals can have a huge impact on your heart health, and the best part is, these changes are easy, tasty, and enjoyable. Let's start with cooking oils. Many of us use oils that are high in unhealthy fats, which can strain your heart over time. A simple swap, like choosing olive oil or avocado oil, keeps your dishes flavorful while being much friendlier to your arteries. Even a tiny change like this can make your heart stronger over time. Next, think about snacks. Instead of reaching for chips or processed cookies, try nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit. These natural options satisfy cravings, provide essential nutrients, and keep your heart happy. It's amazing how small swaps like this can make you feel more energized and lighter, while still enjoying your favorite flavors. Whole grains are another easy and delicious change. Switching white bread, pasta, or rice to whole grain versions is simple but incredibly effective. Whole grains help lower cholesterol, improve blood flow, and give your body long-lasting energy. You don't have to overhaul your diet. Just small, consistent swaps can create big results. Even your drinks can make a difference. Replacing sugary sodas with water, herbal teas, or freshly squeezed juices reduces stress on your heart and supports overall health. These little daily choices, repeated over time, add up to a stronger, healthier heart. The most important takeaway? Heart-healthy eating is about positivity, not restriction. Each small swap is a step toward a happier, more energetic life. You don't need to feel deprived. Think of it as giving your body delicious gifts that strengthen your heart every day. So start small, stay consistent, and celebrate each improvement. Even tiny changes can lead to big results. And if you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're here to guide you toward a healthier heart, one easy, enjoyable swap at a time. Lesson 5: Habits that make a difference. Protecting your heart isn't just about avoiding certain foods, it's also about building simple, daily habits that strengthen your heart and boost your overall well-being. The best part? These habits are easy to follow, enjoyable, and completely doable, even with a busy lifestyle. First, let's talk about movement. You don't need to run a marathon or spend hours at the gym. Even light exercises, like walking, stretching, or climbing stairs, can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce stress on your heart. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a real difference and leave you feeling more energized and positive. Next, focus on your daily diet. We've already talked about foods to avoid and smart swaps, but consistency is key. Small, daily choices, like including more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, add up over time. Your heart will thank you for these simple, steady changes. Another powerful habit is managing stress. Stress can silently increase heart risks, so taking a few minutes each day to meditate, practice deep breathing, or even enjoy a hobby can help your heart stay calm and strong. Remember, a happy mind supports a healthy heart. Sleep is equally important. Quality sleep allows your body to repair, reduces inflammation, and balances hormones that affect your heart. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night, and notice how much more energetic and focused you feel. Finally, regular checkups are a habit that shows you care. Simple screenings for blood pressure, cholesterol, and heart health give you valuable insight and help catch problems early. Knowledge is power, and staying informed helps you make better choices every day. The exciting thing about these habits is that they are positive, empowering, and completely within your control. Each small change, whether it's a daily walk, a healthy meal, or a few minutes of stress relief, builds a stronger, healthier heart. So, start today. Celebrate every small win and know that your heart is getting stronger with each positive habit. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're here to guide you toward a happier, healthier heart, one simple habit at a time. Conclusion. Thank you for watching and taking steps toward a healthier heart. Red Heart Hash. If you learned something new today, even just one small tip, please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear which lesson surprised you the most or which swap you're excited to try first. Your feedback not only helps us improve, but it also inspires others to make positive changes in their lives. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share your thoughts, experiences, or even questions below. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more heart-smart tips that make healthy living simple and enjoyable.